Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to easily transfer funds from your Crypto.com account to your LSSC account. Let's get started. First, open the LSSC app and go to your profile, then tap on the Recharge option. You'll see a list of supported cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, USDT, TRC20, Ethereum, ETH, and more. Choose the currency you want to use. In this example, we'll select USDT TRC20. Next, enter the amount you want to deposit, for example, $200, and copy your USDT wallet address that appears. Now, open the Crypto.com app. Tap the Accounts tab at the bottom, then select Crypto Wallet. Choose the currency you want to send, such as USDT. Tap Transfer, then Withdraw, followed by External Wallet. Tap Add Wallet Address. Select the correct network, TRC20 in this case, and paste the address you copied from the LSSC app. Finally, give the address a name like LSSC Wallet and save it.